Now, dear students, our topic is addition and subtraction in length. Let us take the example that is given 39 meter 58 centimeter and 41 meter 71 centimeter, and you have to add this. So first of all, you will write the units. Meter and centimeter is given, so write meter and centimeter. In meters, 39 meter 58 centimeter and 41 meter 71 centimeter, add it. In meters, we will write the digits of meters, numbers of meters. In meters, we are having 39, 2 digit, so write 39. 58 centimeter, under the column of centimeter, write 58. Here write, next one is 41 meter. 41 meter and 71 centimeter. Because we are doing addition, so put the sign of plus. In the column of meter, you will write the digits of meter. 39 meter, you will write under meters. 41 meter under meters. 58 centimeter under the column of centimeter. Here we will write 58 and 71. Now we will start adding. For that, first of all, make the carry box. We will make the carry box for carrying. Now solve the questions. Add 8 plus 1, that is 9. 5 plus 7, that is 12. Now see here beta, we are having 129 centimeter. And in centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So not more than 100 we will take. We will take less than 100, and 129 centimeter can be converted into meter and centimeter as we have done earlier in our worksheet. So it will divide by 100. So last two digit is for centimeter and rest of the digit is for meters. So we have 1 meter 29 centimeter. So what is left with us? 1 meter 29 centimeter. So here we will leave 29, and this 1 will go to the carry in meters. This will add to meters. So this will go to carry to meters. So 129, if you get more than 100, you will convert it into meters and centimeter. And the digit in meters will go to the carry box. So here we get the carry. Now add it. 9 plus 1, 10, and 1 carry is 11. Now again we get the carry. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. Now whatever we get in our answer, we get 81 meter and 29 centimeter. So this will be our answer. 81 meters 29 centimeter. So whatever we get in our carry, we will go to take it to meters. So we will take one more example. Suppose 20 meter. Here example B part, we will take 20 meter 78 centimeter, 15 meter 70 centimeter. So make two columns, meter and centimeter. In meters we are having 20 meters, so write 20, and in centimeters 78, so write 78. Then 15 meter, under 20 we will write 15, and 70 centimeter, so write 70 under centimeter column. Now we are to add it, so put the sign of addition. Now add it. First of all, take the carry box. Always put carry box. Now add 8 plus 0, 8, 7 plus 7, 14. Here we are having 14. So this 1 will go to carry. Now 0 plus 5 is 5 and 1 carry will become 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we get 36 meter and 48 centimeter as our answer. This will become our answer. Similarly, if we are having it in kilometer and meters, we will take one example. Suppose we take D part, 7 kilometer 455 meters and 9 kilometer 543 meters. So here again make two columns of kilometer and meters. Then the carry box, that is compulsory to make the carry box, and write 72 kilometer and 450 meters. 450 will go to meters column. Here we will divide it into columns, kilometer and meter. Now 43 kilometer, in kilometer column write 43, 950 meters in meters column. Now add it. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 9 is 13 and 1, 14. Again we are having 1 carry with us, 14, and 1400 meter can be converted into kilometer and meters. So last three digits we will take for meters and rest of the digit for kilometer. So we get 1 kilometer 400 meter. So 400 meter will stay with meter column and this 1 will go to carry. So now we will not write here 1, we will take it as carry. So don't write it here, take it as carry. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1, 6, 7 plus 7 is 11. So we get 116 kilometer and 400 meter as answer. Now you got my point. To make you understand why we are taking it as carry, I take this. But when you are doing sums, you will not take this as 14. You take 1 for carry in kilometers. In meter and centimeter, you take directly you can take the carry in meters. Here directly you can take carry in kilometers. To make you understand why we are taking this, I have taken it here. So we are going to do the sums of addition first. Question number 1. So chapter 5, length, chapter name, topic is addition and subtraction, worksheet 3 on page number 54 and 55. Now we are going to start question number 1, that is 3 meter 52 centimeter and 8 meter 46 centimeter. The meter and centimeter is there. To make two columns, here you will write meter and centimeter. Two columns are there. First of all, take carry box. Whether you need it or not, you have to make the carry box. 3 meter and 52 centimeter. Now 8 meter in the column of meters and 46 centimeter in the column of centimeter. Add means put the sign of plus. Now add this and you will get the answer. 2 plus 6, 8, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 8, 11. And here in answer you will write the units with the answer. 11 meter 98 centimeter. No carry is there, so no need to use a carry, but you have to make the box. This is your answer. Now the B part, 20 meter 78 centimeter. Dear students, please do the work neatly. 70 centimeter. So make 2 columns as usual. Take carry box. Now 20 meters will go to meters column and 78 centimeter. Then 15 meters 70 centimeter. You have to add it, so put the sign of plus. As earlier we have done this question also. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. Put 4 and 1 will go to carry. Direct you will take the carry. Okay. Now add this. 0 plus 5 and 1 carry is 6. 2 plus 1 3. Now here you get 36 meter and 48 centimeter, and this is your answer. Now similarly you can do C part. Here 6 numbers are given. So first of all make it as 2 columns, meter and centimeter. Here read the question. 12 meter. So first of all make the carry box. Always remember to make the carry box. In column of meter write 12 and 66 centimeter. So in column of centimeter write 66. Then 34 meter in meters column, 23 centimeter in centimeter column, 42 meter, 35 meter. Add. Now you can easily add it, but remember to write the units in answer. After adding you get the numbers and write like this. In D part, now kilometer and meter. So make 2 columns of kilometer and meter, then the carry box. Here 7 kilometer 455 meters. Always remember, because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. We go for zeros there. Focus on 0. 3 zeros are there. So we will have 3 numbers in meters. 1 kilometer is 1000, means 3 zeros. 1000 meters. So in meters you will get 3 numbers. Always remember 3 numbers should be there when you are using kilometer and meter. Then 9 kilometer and 543 meters. Add it. You will get the answer. Write the units kilometer and meter and add the numbers. Now the E part. (72 kilometer 450 meters and 43 kilometer 950 meters. So first of all 2 columns kilometer and meter, carry box, then write the numbers 72 kilometer 450 meters, 43 kilometer under kilometer section and 950 meters. Add it, and then after adding you will get the answer. Remember to write the units. Now again in F part, 25 kilometers 145 meters, 43 kilometer 98 meters and 35 kilometer 650 meters. Make two columns, kilometer and meter. Now in kilometer, take the carry box. Now in kilometer write 25 and in meters 145. Remember 3 digits should be there. In kilometer 43 is there and in meters 98 is there. Now how will you write 98? 98 means if you take 98 then there are 2 digits, and as you know there should be 3 digits in meters, so we will put 0 in the starting. 098 you can write and read it at 98, so you are writing 98. Yes, so you will write 098. Always remember to write 3 digits in meters, in kilometer and meter, because in 1 kilometer we are having 1000 meter. 3 zeros, focus on the zeros. We are having 3 zeros, so always remember in meters we are having 3 digits when we are writing kilometer and meters. So here we are nothing, so we will write 0. And 35 kilometer 650 meters. Add it, put the sign of plus. After adding, you will get the answer in kilometer and meters, and here you get the answer. Okay, solve it, add it. As you are adding earlier, you will add it here only. Now in question number 2, you have to find the difference. Difference means you have to subtract it. In subtraction also, first of all, make the 2 columns. As we are having meter and centimeter in our first question, so make the 2 columns as meter and centimeter. Then take the box, and in subtraction this is the borrowing box. Take borrow box because we are borrowing something from another. Now write the digits. 8 meter in the meter column and 75 centimeter in centimeter column. 5 meter in meters column and 53 in centimeters column. Subtract it. 5 minus 3, subtract now. 5 minus 7 minus 5, 8 minus 5, and it will become meter and centimeter, and this will become your answer. Listen better, here I am writing the first one earlier and the next one below. You will write the whole first. For the difference, we will take the larger first. Write the larger, greater number on the top than the smaller number. But one thing you should remember, that 8 meter, with 8 meter we are having 75 centimeter. So we will take 8 meter and 5 meter. See, whatever is greater, put it on the top. Here in 8 meter and 5 meter, 8 meter is greater, so this will go on the top. So we will write 8 meter. 75 centimeter is with 8 meter, so we will write it here only. Then 5 meter and 53 centimeter, and subtract it. Difference means you have to subtract it. So as we have done the first question, now we will go to our next question, that is 71 meter 96 centimeter and 17 meter 63 centimeter. So first of all, make 2 columns, meter and centimeter, and the box, borrow box. In subtraction we will take the borrow box always. So find the difference. In difference, when you are finding the difference, then always remember you should take the greater number on the top. So first of all, we will take 71 meter and 17 meter. We will check on it which one is greater. So 71 is greater than 17, so this will come on the top. We will write on the top. then we will write 71 meter 96 centimeter, because 96 centimeter is with 71 meters. So write it in the hole. Now 17 centimeter and 63 centimeter. Subtract it. 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6. Now 1 minus 7, you will not subtract 7 from 1. So we will take the borrow from 7. It will become 6 and it will become 11. Then 11 minus 7 and 6 minus 1. So here we get 54 meters 33 centimeter. As you are doing the subtraction earlier, just do like that. And next, so in our next question also, first of all, make two parts, meter and centimeter, and the box, borrow box. Now in 9 and 3, 9 meter and 3 meter, 9 is greater, so put 9 meter 25 centimeter and 3 meter 44 centimeter. Now we will not write 44 up, because 44 is greater than 25. No, because 9 meter 25 centimeter is 1. So we will write as 1, 9 meter 25 centimeter together. Then we will write 3 meter 44 centimeter. So subtract it. 5 minus 4. Now here 2 minus 4. We cannot subtract, but we have to take borrow from meters now. If we take borrow from meters, we will take 1 meter from here. It will become 8, because we are taking 1 meter here. Now 25. I am telling you here 25 centimeter, and we are taking 1 meter from here. We are borrowing 1 meter from here, and 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So it will become 125 centimeter. So here we can use 125. If we take borrow, we can use 125, because it will become 125 centimeter now. Now we can subtract. We can subtract 12 minus 4, that is 8. Now here it is 8. 8 minus 5, 3 is 5. Now 5 meter 81 centimeter is our answer. So why we borrow from here? Because we can take 100 centimeter, and in centimeter we can add the centimeter. So 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter will become 125 centimeter. So it will become 125, and now we can easily subtract. Here meter, centimeter, borrow box. Now we will take 23 and 18. So 23 is bigger one. So 23 meter 14 centimeter. 18 meter. So under 23 we will write 18 and 23 centimeter. Subtract it. Now here again, if we see, 14 is less than 23. Yes, so we will take borrow from here. 1 meter we will take. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 14 and 100 will become 114. So now we will take 114 centimeter and subtract it. 4 minus 3. Now 1 minus 1. So we can take borrow. 11 here it is. 11 minus 2. Now 2 minus 8. Take borrow from here. It will become 12. 12 minus 8. 1 minus 1. 0. Here it is meter and centimeter. And you will read 4 meter 91 centimeters. Now in kilometers and meters, take two columns of kilometer and meters. Borrow box. 9 kilometer 200 meter. Now again in 200, 3 digits should be there. 7 kilometer, 450 meters. Subtract it. As you see, 200 is less than 450, so we will take borrow. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 we can take. Borrow from 2, 1. Here it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 4 we cannot subtract, so we will take borrow from kilometer. As 1000, so here it will become 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. So here we get 1 kilometer 750 meters. Now in our next question, 45 kilometer 525 meters and 35 kilometer 614 meters. So 45 and 34, 45 is greater. Take two columns in kilometer and meters. Take borrow box and we will write 45 kilometer 525 meters on the top. Then write 34 kilometer 614 meters and subtract it. 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 6 we cannot subtract, so we will take borrow. We will take borrow from kilometers from 5. It will become 4. Now here it 5 will become 15, so now subtract it. 15 minus 6 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then it will become 10 kilometer 911 meters. So this completes your worksheet say 3.